Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this Adidas X Fear of God Essentials Crewneck. So this just came in the mail. Cool collabo from Adidas and Fear of God. Let's see. Wow. This is get the box away. This is a premium unboxing experience. Really nice. So Adidas Fear of God. I'll open this up. This is the Athletics Crewneck. That's what the tag looks like. Let's see if the back has anything. Oh yeah, the bag also has the 3 vertical stripes, the Adidas 3 vertical stripes. Looks good, looks good. Alright, let's get this out. Nice bag. It's a little loud, crinkly. Feels recycled. Okay, opens up nicely. Let's take this out. Wow. This is a very nice feeling crew neck. Let's check out the tags. So it's, again, Adidas Fear of God collabo. Not essentials, actually, just Adidas and Fear of God. The tag. Cool. Check it out. There's the front. Check out the tags up here. Fear of God Athletics. Made in China. Oh, this feels good. This feels good here. That's what it looks like. Oops, sorry. Knocked something over on my desk. Here's what the sleeve looks like. It's definitely oversized, so that's why I got a small, normally a medium. But I saw in some reviews that it's definitely oversized. So, nice sleeves, nice 3 stripes vertical up there on the front. Let's check out the bottom. Bottom looks nice. It's ribbed. Very cool. Let me flip it over. So on the back side, I do like the back side. It has this little nice touch over here, this black horizontal oval bar, and it has the Adidas Fear of God collabo. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this crewneck in the comment section. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you on the next unboxing video. Later.